Why are all McDonald's bathrooms so filthy? This is a phenomena I've noticed over many years. This one's in Northeast Georgia, but it could be any town, USA. I used to live in New Orleans forever. Shouldn't there be a mat there and not sticky pee? I could kind of understand why their bathrooms are always dirty because the demographics there are awful, and those people really don't treat anything with respect or care about cleanliness. But when you live somewhere where the demographics are different and the bathrooms are still filthy, why is that? Am I crazy? Wasn't there a documentary 15, 20 years ago with a McDonald's franchise owner who had said the key to success is a clean bathroom? But look at the sink. That doesn't happen in a couple hours. That is just neglect. And it's like every McDonald's is like this. And if you pee on the floor, throw your trash on the floor, don't wipe off the counter, you're shitty too.